those lupulin glands in through the base there. That's where all the alpha acids in those resins, all the essential oils.
We're going to use some of these Waimea hops. We're going to get a whole bunch and throw them in the mash tun.
G'day, Andrew from Brothers Beer. We're going to brew an amber ale. We're going to add all of these in right at the end.
G'day, I'm Sam from Galbraith's Ale House. We're going to make a British Pale Ale with these fantastic Waimea hops.
And it'll be a nice beer, but we don't know what it's called yet.
I'm going to make a pale ale, 5.4% alcohol, and going to throw in these wonderful green hops late at the end of the kettle to give some big aroma. Boom!
Right, we're going to do an IPA. That's the Batch Brewing Shakespeare collaboration.
Hamish from Deep Creek. We're going to make a pale ale. Looking forward to fresh Waimea hops.
So Bradford from Little Empire Brewing. We're going to do ourselves a white IPA, big wheat malt base, and probably a Hefeweizen West to finish it off.
But it'll be nice. And hoppy. Yeah, with green hops. It'll be nice.
Hops are going in. Hops are going into the kettle. Hops. More hops added to the kettle. Look at that. Oily. Every hop is precious. It smells quite hoppy. It's very aromatic. Lovely. I'm really happy with how this beer's turned out. The Waimea hops have come through. They got this really awesome New Zealand character. So good.